It's an important question because a lot of people have documents with PDFs with images in it, or an image that was saved as a PDF and they're trying to get it into their Google Docs, and it can be difficult to do. So let me show you the answer that I've discovered based on the research that I just did. Let me go set myself up. So here's my autobiography, and I want to get my images in here. And I've got a PDF saved on my computer. Let me go show you that PDF. Here it is right here. It's a PDF, pics of Teddy. Now it could be just a single picture saved as a PDF, but in this case it's a bunch of stuff. It's a bunch of images with in some cases with words in there. Now I've opened this up in my Mac previewer to look at it. Again, there's the images, and there's probably 10 pages. But there's no way of getting these images out of preview on a Mac, the preview app on a Mac. If I right click and hit copy, it doesn't do anything. If I go back to my document where I want to put that image and paste, it doesn't paste. It just pastes a bunch of blank lines. So that doesn't work. What I had to do was to download Adobe's Acrobat Reader. So over here I have Adobe open. Acrobat Reader. You can get that from Adobe's website. Do a Google search for free Adobe Acrobat Reader and make sure you're on the Adobe website when you download it, because it really is a pretty powerful little app. What's really powerful about this app is I can click on an image, whether it's a single image in a PDF or a bunch of images in a PDF. I can click on that image, then I can right click and copy the image from the PDF. Now I can go to my Google Doc, find the place where I want to put that image, paste it with either edit, paste, or Control or Command V, and boom, there's the image. And just as with any other images in a Google Doc, I can resize it, I can change the formatting of it with all the formatting tools. But really what I want to show you is using Adobe Acrobat Reader. I can click on any image, and once I click on the image, I can, let me see if I have, there it is, there's the icon, copy image. What's that? Redact, highlight, add a comment. I'm just looking for the different actions here. So I can copy that image just by clicking on it once, and then click on that icon, and then I can go paste that image in my Google Doc. Bottom line, I think images in PDFs or PDF images and Google Docs, you want to use the best solution I found on a Mac, works on a PC as well, would be use Adobe Acrobat Reader, and you can pull the images out of the PDF and then paste them in your Google Doc. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope I helped this gentleman move his book forward, and I'm hoping that I help you as well.